If you are a small, authentic creator like me, I have been on YouTube for 6 years. I started when I was 42. It's always like a real person in the video, like me actually. So it's authentic content, then you know how much work it actually takes to get monetized on YouTube. And my channel is not monetized after 6 years, even though I've been uploading like every week, making a long-term video. And it's a lot of work just to make the video like this. It takes some time. You have to plan it, you have to arrange it, you have to film it, you have to a little bit edit it, you have to upload it, you have to package it and stuff like that. So it's not as simple as it might look like. And now with the new monetization rules on YouTube made it like twice as difficult, And do you ask yourself why YouTube is doing it? I mean, they will tell you everything, but not the truth. No, and actually the reason is very simple. YouTube just doesn't want to pay creators. Because authentic creators, they're supposed to get money for the advertisement that YouTube places, like on my videos, and I'm not getting any share from it, even though YouTube is actually earning money. So YouTube is not going to pay a lot of authentic creators. They also don't want to pay creators who use AI. They are trying to demonetize also AI content. So at the end, they don't have to pay anybody, but they still have enough content because there is more content on YouTube than ever because of AI. So they have enough of content to place ads and to earn money. And at the same time, they don't have to pay nobody, not authentic creators. Most of authentic creators, when they heard this news, it's like so discouraging, so people just want to quit. And even if they don't quit, like me, 6 years, the channel is not monetized. YouTube is not paying money, but earning money from my channel, So the funny is they're going to tell you the opposite. They're going to tell you that they care about small creators, that they want you to earn money, that you want you to be successful on YouTube. And this is like the most typical gaslighting you can hear everywhere, But this move for YouTube is just about money, that they take all the money from creators. YouTube is not human friendly. They don't want to pay. They don't care if there is any human content. They just care about money. What a surprise, What a surprise. I mean, this world in general is becoming less human friendly because human aspect is being deleted from every part of our life. Like seriously, who cares about humans? Who needs humans? Who wants the human prosperity? No, it's all about the big revenue of big companies. So it's not a big surprise, unfortunately. I mean, we've been there before. We know how it goes. And this is where the world is heading, actually. It's not only YouTube. It's just a very typical example of what's happening. So if you're a small, authentic creator like me, not monetized, I want to hear from you. I want to know what you think, because I think authentic creators, some of them will decide to double the content, I'm doing now, actually, posting more content, and maybe I end up burning out, because for AI content's no problem. You just make another video with a click and you just post more. So AI generated channels are going to get monetized anyway, sooner or later. Because you don't get burnout if you're using AI, yeah? It's only the authentic channels, it's only us who, even if we try to still get monetized, we're gonna have a burnout probably. Let's see. Maybe I'm a little bit in the burnout mood at the moment because I'm trying to post more content, but it's just too much, you know. It's very hard to sustain, and I feel for all the small creators like me. And the funny, like the sad part is, this is like the creators I want to see myself, you know, real authentic people, you know, having real lives and having real experience and real knowledge. I don't want to watch AI slop. I don't want to watch cartoons on YouTube, because YouTube was meant to be about real people making real life videos, you know. It was never being something else, but now the platform is just becoming disturbing. And when I see AI generated content, it takes me a while. Very often I watch the video half or till the end before I even realize it's not an authentic video, you know. So, and it means, you know, that YouTube is making money from those videos. So it looks like we humans, we cannot really do anything about it, because we cannot just decide, oh, I don't want to watch AI, and so I'm not going to watch it. They will show it, and you will not realize it's AI. You will not see it's AI till the last moment, maybe, and then you're like, okay, I thought it was real, but it's not, you know. And if YouTube really cared about authentic creators, they could decide, okay, authentic channels get monetization after 4,000 hours, you know, in a year. And AI generated content gets monetized after 8. This could be a fair decision, you know, because yes, authentic content needs much more work. I mean, not much more, but way more work. Whereas AI generated content, you can generate in seconds, you know. So that would be a fair decision from YouTube, you know, to differentiate and to really care, you know, and to say, we fight AI slop, so for AI channels, let's make it 8,000 hours, and for human creators, let's make it 4,000, keep it 4,000 like it used to be, you know. This would be, yeah, YouTube is just, those people, they just want to earn money and they're gaslighting us, you know. They really want us to believe they're doing it for the better, they are saying something which makes no sense whatsoever. And I mean, they really say that they care, that this is the way to care about creators and to make our life better or to make us earn better. You know, like, seriously? This is, but this is, guys, this is in general the life we are heading to. Nonsense, gaslighting, no human aspect, human unfriendly world. This is where we're heading. And that's also the reason why I think we should kind of fight for human values. Because nobody cares. It's all about money and politics. You know, AI, like, yeah, you can say, yeah, AI is meant to help humanity. Most of it is money and politics, okay? It's quite obvious. Some part of it may be taking care of humanity, let's see. But I'm just, on this channel I talk about human values, about staying human and keeping human qualities and taking care about humans, you know, staying natural human beings, happy, clear, not distracted, not lonely, you know. I talk about this on this channel because the world is extremely getting human unfriendly. The world doesn't care about humans because, you know, the world used to care about humans because humans were the ones making money, you know. But now it's the machines. So who cares about humans, right? If the machines can do everything, then nobody needs the human for getting rich and getting the power and like winning wars and getting a lot of money. So political systems and businesses, they used to need human beings to thrive, and now they don't. So they don't want authentic creators. They don't need. They have enough. They're making more money with artificial content. That's it. Okay. So if you are an authentic small creator, your channel is not monetized, or if you're a small creator and you're monetized but you still struggle getting views, let me know what you think. Do you feel that humans are appreciated on YouTube at all? Like, do you feel that? Or do you feel like they're trying to actually push us away? I mean, YouTube in itself is an artificial algorithm anyway, which is, yeah, the world is getting extremely artificial. And I personally don't like that. I never cared so much about money or politics. I always cared about human beings. And now when I see that human beings are kind of suppressed in this modern society, getting more and more suppressed and unfree and unhappy and disconnected, and it's really, really extremely sad to see, you know. Okay, guys, I think I have to move it from here. Drive home or to the beach. Let's see. I'm not in the most in the best mood at the moment, but I want to encourage you to stay on YouTube if you are a human being, because if we all leave, this platform just makes no sense at all. And maybe this is going to happen anyway, because it's very hard to stay here, right? But if you have a message, and if you stay true to yourself, and if you're passionate about what you're doing on YouTube, I encourage you to stay. To stay and stay authentic, and don't fall into this trap. They're trying to push you to use AI. Yeah, because it makes more money. And they don't even have to pay you anyway. No matter if you're using AI or not, they are not going to pay you at the end. But yeah, AI content is satisfying the business needs. So yeah, let me know what you think and how you feel about all these new monetization changes on YouTube. And like, do you feel it's fair? Do you think it's for the sake of the creators, as they say, you know? Anyway, if you like real talks, authentic content for people in their midlife, I am 48. And on this channel, I talk about my experience and topics related to, like, I'm from Generation X, and we are the generation that used to live in the real world with human beings being the center. And now we belong, guys, to the generation that knows exactly what they are taking away from us. And I think we should not make it easy for them, you know? We should not. But can we make a difference? Humans, can we still make a difference in this world? Or not? I don't know. I hope yes, but what do you say?